Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here. This is just a little video of me when I went on my trip to Boulder, Colorado for a day this last month. It was kind of a last minute thing. I decided I hadn't been doing anything really, and I was like, well, let me go to Boulder. I like the city. It's a beautiful little city. It's up in the mountains, near the mountains. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous area. Um, there's so much to do up there. So much food to eat, beautiful downtown. I had never been on the Boulder paths, the different Boulder trails, as you want to call it. As you can see here, it's paved. One side they have, it has directions like where it tells you to stay on a certain side if you're on your bike going one way. As you can see here, the yellow line's the other way. Bike's going to be coming the other way. And sometimes as you see people walking this path, the path will separate and they'll have a path for people to walk along and one for bikes, depending on where you're at along the Boulder trail. It runs right next to Boulder Creek, the Boulder Creek in Boulder, Colorado. Where I parked, it was a Saturday, so I parked at the Boulder Justice Center. Now, I would not recommend parking here during the week, of course, because you might get a ticket or towed. I don't know what the signs are or anything. As you see right there, there's a little another path right over to the side. People walk over there on the other side of the darker red pavement, so that you shouldn't get on that side. Anyway, that where I parked on a Saturday, so it's a week. And of course, the Boulder Justice Center is closed on that day. If you park there directly behind, it's right there. I can look right over, and there's the sidewalk or the path you take. So anyway, I started riding along this path. It's beautiful, well treed. Of course, people are nice, all that good stuff. And I didn't really ride that long down that path, because I realized, oh crap, this is a really nice ride. And then I was like, no, I can't do too much of this because I need to come back up here and I need to bring my spouse, or at the very least bring my child with me, and we ride this path, because I was like, oh, this is a cool path. You saw the sign, you saw the little arrows telling you which side to stay on. So there you go. Yeah, I was like, wow. And it runs like right next to like a highway that I can't remember the name of that highway right there. But once you start getting closer down here, you'll start seeing that they have walls up, like cement walls up. So you're not like got traffic. Even if you're afraid someone's going to jump the curb and hit you and stuff. No, there'll actually be a little wall that comes up and everything. So it was really cool. I actually really enjoyed this ride, and I enjoyed it so much that I realized, no, I'm going to stop. I'm not going to go too far down here. I'm going to turn around because I got to bring her back. She needs to come and do this ride with me. So that was my thinking on that. Anyway, I recommend you go check out this park. Oh my gosh. Yes, there's tons of parks in Boulder too, by the way. This little riding path. It's simple, not too hard, especially if you're riding an electric bike. Yes, is there elevation? Does the elevation go up? Yes, it does. It will go up on you. My bike did not struggle. I rode the RadMini. This was the Rad Power RadMini I rode this time. So when I do come up here again, I will bring the electric XP with me instead, if it's not here. But probably next time I'm going to Estes, because Estes is a quick drive. It's only about an hour and a half away from where I live, right up the street basically from Boulder. So I'll bring the electric XP and do some riding on it, of course. But anyway, go check this out. You want to save some money, take your family or go by yourself, just go ride your bike up here. It's beautiful. And then you can go downtown to Pearl Street or somewhere and eat a little meal, and maybe spend $15-20 for your food and stuff like that, and have a good old day out here. As you can see, look at the water on the side. Like I said, I realized, I said, oh no, we gotta turn around. This is too nice. I gotta bring her up here because she's never done this either. So anyway, this is a little bit of me riding around this area. And as I would say anytime, I want to thank everyone for watching this. And like I said, this is a cheap, fun thing to do right here. Cheap, well, it was free. Well, it wasn't free, but gas and stuff like that does cost. But I recommend you go check it out. Great ride. And it goes on forever, by the way. You can ride and ride and ride. And I can tell you that I started looking at the maps and stuff after I did it. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, everyone. And I hope you're all having a good day. Thank you.